Get him, puppies. Get him, Reese. Go get him. Get Dudley. Dudley, get Reese. Go get him. Go get him. Play with him, Dudley. He wants to play with you. Don't touch me. Go play with each other. Go get him. Go get him. Get him, puppies. Dudley's like, I just want to be touched by a human. Why is this dog talking to me? Oh, no. Go get him, Dudley. Go get Reese. Go get him, Dud. Go get him. Go get Reese. I'm sorry, Reese. He's not really a dog's dog. He's really a people dog. Could you touch me? Please touch me. Why are you touching me? Why are you touching me? Do you need me to touch you? Oh, touch me. Touch me. Pardon? Do you need to go on the potty?
No.
You gonna go in your diaper?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Mama. Ellie. Mama. People.